It has been ages since I posted a video. I have been so hemmed up with stuff and so busy recently. I have had no time to edit videos and post. I still have 2 videos that I'm waiting to edit and post. It's been taking too much time for me to do that. So today, I'm gonna make a POV drive, and a lot has changed since the last time I made a video. As you can see now, my car is wrapped black. And if you pay attention to the last video, I told y'all I was thinking about doing it. And I did it. I got sponsored by a wrap company, by Raxify. I told myself, hey, if I'm gonna get sponsored by a wrap company, I'm gonna wrap it, and I wrapped it myself. Surprisingly, I've actually got more attention with my car black than yellow, which I feel like it doesn't make sense because yellow stands out a lot more. But I feel like the black, all black murdered out look just looks perfect on this car. Mods are done to the car currently, performance-wise. I have a single exit Supra exhaust. I have a CTS turbo, catless downpipe. I have an XHP transmission tune, which is stage 3. I also have an MST intake. Pop the hood for you guys. Nothing really has changed performance-wise. Well, it hasn't at all. The T51R mod doesn't do anything performance-wise. It's purely just for sound. Tires I'm rocking right now are Nitto 555 R2s. These are on stock rims. I'm running 285 35 by 19s. I think that's zooming in right there. These are good tires. They definitely stick up when it's warm, but only when it's warm. For me, they kind of suck in the rain, I'm not gonna lie. It's raining very hard. I feel like I'm floating on the ground, which is scary. They do look amazing out of all the tires that I've had, but my favorite tires so far are Continental DWS all seasons. They grip up like a dream, but they obviously just don't look as good as these. The stability on these tires, the Nittos, are a lot better than the Continentals, just because the Continentals are more square. And the fronts, I'm running 265 by 35 by 19, still on stock rims. I'm on 15mm spacers in the front, 18mm on the back. I'm on teen lowering springs. See if I can show you through the wheel real quick. Give y'all a little warm start. Start it up. Anyways, enough of the yapping. Let's get to the video, and I'll see you on the car. Alright, this truck is dead ass following me. I don't know why. God, this isn't the one way. It's not. Okay. Sorry. I was ready to say, it looked like a fucking one-way. I would roll the windows down, but I'm making a new video. I'm obviously in different glows because my last video I made, I had the windows down the whole time and the wind was just blaring out every single bit of the car noise at all. Like, you couldn't hear my pops, you couldn't even hear my intake, you couldn't hear shit. Like, all you heard was this loud ass wind. So I can't really roll the windows down because you're not going to hear shit. I'm hoping it doesn't sound... Bro, this fucking truck is following me. I swear to God they are. Bro, they've been on my ass this whole time. Is he flashing me? my head hurt like shit. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Oh, look at all that rust. That's awful. God darn. What up? What up, man? Let me know if you like the video, if you enjoyed the content, if you want more videos like this. Let me know if you got any criticism. Let me know in the comments. I read all my comments, so I'll see it. Any criticism helps. I'm just trying to make good content for you guys to enjoy to watch, entertain you guys, and do what I love, driving my car. So yeah, I appreciate y'all, and I'm out.